Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how clients book on Vagaro. If you're a business owner, you know how important it is to have an online booking system. It makes it easier for your clients to book appointments, and it helps you to keep track of your schedule. Vagaro is a popular online booking system that's used by businesses all over the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Vagaro and how to use it to book appointments. What is Vagaro? Vagaro is an online booking system that allows your clients to book appointments online 24/7. It's easy to use and it's affordable. How to set up Vagaro? Go to the Vagaro website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your business information and create a password. Click on the Create Account button. Once you've created your account, you'll need to add your services and products. You can also add your staff members and their availability. Once you've set up your services and products, you can start accepting bookings. How to use Vagaro to book appointments. Go to your Vagaro website and click on the Book Now button. Select the service or product that you want to book. Choose the date and time that you want to book. Enter your personal information and contact information. Click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email from Vagaro. Tips for using Vagaro. Make sure that your Vagaro website is easy to navigate and that your services and products are clearly listed. Use high-quality photos of your services and products. Promote your Vagaro booking system on your website, social media, and other marketing materials. Offer online booking incentives, such as discounts or loyalty points. Provide customer support for your clients. Vagaro is a great way to make it easier for your clients to book appointments. It's easy to set up and use, and it's affordable. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about how to use Vagaro to book appointments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on business tips and tricks.